What's up guys, Prabhat here. Greetings of the year and I hope you guys are having an amazing time. So as always, I'm here with a list of 20 Android apps to get you started with 2018. So without any further ado, let's get this started.
First up is AmpMe. With AmpMe, you can connect multiple devices and play the same music across all the devices seamlessly to create your own loudspeaker. Since smartphone these days comes with stereo speakers, the sound is pretty amazing if paired to 4 or more phones. The app supports your music library, YouTube and Spotify to create an amazing music experience. Moreover, you can also sync it with your Bluetooth speakers so that you can party anywhere with just your phone. However, you do have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next up is SnapTube. You can use this app to download videos from major video sites like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Dailymotion and so on. You can also add the URL manually, and as soon as any video is loaded, you get an icon to download the video. While downloading videos, you get the option to choose the video resolution, or if you just want the audio, you can do that as well. Really handy while downloading your favorite tracks from YouTube. Also, your downloads are categorized into different sections, making things easier. You will need the premium version of this app to download videos on 2K and 4K, and even go ad-free. So if you are looking for a video downloader, try this app. Next up is StopAd. As the name implies, this app prevents unwanted ads, pop-ups, which adds up to your web as well as app experience. Plus, it also saves your mobile data by blocking unwanted pop-ups and ads while you are on 3G or 4G. The app works flawless. Perhaps this is the best ad blocking app till date, and it has very little to no impact on your battery life. StopAd not only blocks ads in your browser, but even inside the apps like Facebook, YouTube and Skype. From the app, you can view your statistics, add apps on whitelist, which will show ads on the selected apps, and I must say this is a nice add-on. This way we are helping the respective app developers. Moreover, you can update the filter list regularly for better results. StopAd is free and can be downloaded from its official website, so I will leave the links in the description guys, as this app is not available in the Play Store. This app is also available for Windows and iOS. Next up is MakeUseOf. With this app, you can learn different facts, tips and tricks, hacks, DIY, and so much more, especially regarding technology. All the articles are well organized, and you can also browse through various categories or groups to learn about different topics. One nice add-on here is you also get the link on where to buy the products. The descriptive articles, ease of sharing, and useful tips makes this a must-have app. Next up is AirConsole. Basically, this app makes your smartphone a gaming controller while playing games on your computer browser, Android TV and laptops. Just head on over to airconsole.com and pair your device. Here you can choose from a list of games. You have puzzle games, arcade, single player as well as multiplayer games so that you can pair multiple smartphones and play together with your friends. It's seamless and such a fun app to use with your friends and family. Next up is Notin. This is a note-taking app that solves two purposes. One, that it lets you quickly save notes, and two, it stays in your notification panel, which also works like a reminder. Very simple to use, it works perfect and very intuitive. And once you are done, you can simply swipe away to clear it. Next up is Canva. This app lets you create beautiful and attractive pictures and posts for your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and many more. The highlight of this app is all the templates are in default resolution of the respective apps. For example, if you choose Facebook cover, the template will be set to the default resolution of Facebook cover. So you begin by choosing your favorite template and then you can change the text, add image, customize or add graphics, and then you are good to go. So right from your smartphone, you can have attractive posts for your social medias and business. Next up is FilesGo. It's a file manager that lets you manage your files and folders. The well-organized UI adds to it. You have your storage previews, files are organized and categorized as per their formats, and you can also perform actions like clearing cache and managing downloads. Furthermore, it also has a built-in file sharing feature to share files with other devices wirelessly. Next up is Snapseed. This has been my all-time favorite photo editing app since ages. The new update has made it even better. Right from applying filters to RGB curves with different tones and effects, double exposures, and so much more. All the desktop-grade tools are present, the UI is very intuitive as well. You select tools by swiping vertically and make adjustments by swiping horizontally. You can also preview layers of edit and adjust each layers from here. All in all, a perfect photo editing app. Similarly, we have Touch Retouch. There are times when you take a picture and then you have an unwanted element in the picture that completely ruins it. This app helps you eliminate that. For example, in this picture, I will just mark this man and then I will hit remove. And there you go. Very simple to use and it works perfect. Next up is Assistive Touch. Since smartphones are getting bigger and taller, this app makes it easy to use your devices single-handed. You get a floating icon with actions like Notifications panel, Recent apps, Home, and your favorite apps. Perfect for big screens, as with a single shortcut, you can perform multiple actions. You can also customize these shortcuts like give actions on tapping the icon, change the looks, and manage the shortcuts as well. This icon can be placed anywhere and can be accessed from any apps or games. Next up is Wally, my all-time favorite wallpaper app for Android. You have a wide range of categories to choose from, and the wallpapers are pretty amazing and high-res. One nice addition here is, while browsing through different pictures, you have the option to browse through similar pictures. A must-have, guys, if you haven't tried it yet. Next up is UBMe. This is a new social app that has a twist. According to your location, you can view or add contacts, share posts and updates, interact with what others are sharing. Like other social media apps, you can also add friends, send messages, follow, create events, and manage your profile. You get points according to your uses. It's a new social app that has new way of adding contacts, and it's always good to try something new. Next up is Droop. This app is all about interacting with your contacts in a much intuitive way. You can access all your contacts with a swipe and view or contact them easily via phone, SMS, or other social apps. Moreover, you can record your call, and this app also has a built-in caller ID, which is a plus. You can also set multiple themes, which is a nice addition, and it really blends with my Note 8. Furthermore, you can easily contact the nearest gas station, stores, banks, restaurants, and many other businesses. This floating icon can be accessed from any apps or games, and I would say it's a perfect replacement app for both phone and contacts. Next up is 1Password. This is among the best password manager for saving your bank account details, credit card details, login credentials, Wi-Fi info, secure notes, and so on. What I like about this app is that it's secure. You can lock this app with your fingerprint and a master passcode. Plus, it also has its own secure browser for secure logins. While adding login details, you can use the password generator for password ideas. I mostly use this app to store my bank account details, login details, and my secure notes. Next up is Microsoft Launcher. This is the official launcher from Microsoft. This launcher is close to stock Android, but instead of Google, you have everything Bing. From Bing wallpapers, Bing search to newsfeed. Couple of nice addition in this launcher is that you get a QR code scanner right in the search bar and app hide feature to hide your apps. Additionally, you can change the look and feel of the launcher and set various gestures for different actions. While we are on Launcher, we have another launcher called Computer Launcher. As the name implies, this launcher mimics Windows 10. From UI to app layout, it seems as if you are using Windows on your phone. You have your taskbar, start menu where you have all your apps and other settings. The attention to detail is fantastic. For example, if you go on to My Computer, this will work like a file manager. And the launcher is very smooth and is quite unique to have. Talking about customization, we have Custom Live Wallpaper Maker and Custom Widget Maker. But instead of making your own custom widgets, what I suggest you here is you can download tons of themes and presets from the Play Store. For example, this live wallpaper you see here is called Cosmos. It has different styles, you have orbits, planets in different layouts, as you can see here. Very attractive and gives a distinct look to your device. Similarly, for widgets, you can download from a lot of themes or presets from the Play Store to suit your style. This clock widget is called Minimal Volume 1. Very minimal and elegant, so I will add all the links down in the description. Last but not the least is the AZ Screen Recorder. This is perhaps the best screen recorder I have used. It's very simple to use. All you need to do is tap on the floating icon and start recording. Moreover, you can record in high quality, even in 60 frames per second with audio. I personally use it to record my gameplays. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you feel your favorite apps are missing, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Stay tuned as we have tons of videos lined up for you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one.